Hello guys! I am back with another vlog. Today is Saturday. It is Memorial Day weekend. I decided to go to California Adventure today. I have never been to California Adventure. I've gone to Disneyland like 4 or 5 times now, but not California Adventures. So I am, is it Adventures or Adventure? Anyway, I'm so excited. My lighting sucks. I got cut off. My storage is full. I am so tired. My under eyes look so dark. I'm exhausted. I went out last night for my girlfriend's birthday.
When the music entra, dale, vete para allá. Solo déjame bailar, solo déjame pelear. When the music entra, dale, vete para allá. Solo déjame bailar, solo déjame pelear.
And I quickly got ready this morning. But anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's go to California Adventure. So we got my favorite truffle, goat cheese, squash blossom flatbread, and I always get honey because I don't like honey, fun fact, but like a little drizzle of it for sweetness on these flatbreads. And then this ricotta, wait, I don't remember what this is, but this is just a cheese ravioli, and then this apple kale salad that I'm so excited about, and then we got some spicy margaritas. Okay, you guys, we finally got our juices. This is what we waited 40 minutes for. I thought they were like freshly squeezed. Here, they're not. They're bottled. Alright guys, we're here. This is my first time at California Adventure. I'm so excited.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
This is the app we're working off of. I remember when I used to come here and I had to use the paper maps that I would always lose. They would only last me like an hour, so this is great. I needed a charger. I've only been here for half an hour and I'm running low. I already chickened out. I was in line waiting for one of the rides and it was called Guardians of the Galaxy. It's a drop and I don't do drops. I literally walked out of line.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
It was so cold. I got a crew neck and it says Disneyland on the back in like gold glitter. It's so cute. And then I had a corn dog. So my lipstick looks crazy.
Find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the
You guys, why does it do that? I was excited to get on this Ferris wheel, but like, huh? No, like what? It's not that. You're just sleeping.
world they wanna be at. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her feature.
World of Color, por su seguridad y por la seguridad de otros.
Life under the sea is better than anything we got up there.
Find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
just made this chicken, roasted chicken with garlic butter, and then fingerling potatoes, carrots, onions, apples. I know the apples part sounds crazy, but my mom made it this way growing up. So she used to make chicken with roasted apples, and it's so good. Don't knock it till you try it, and it looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. It's my first time making it. And then I made this kale salad with avocado, onion, tomato, dill, a little bit of cheese. I'm so excited to eat this. You guys, we got the prettiest flowers. So cute. This is for my mom, and this is for her mom. Love us. Gonna go up the Space Needle. I haven't been up in so long. I'm excited.
Show Grey's Anatomy here. Seattle is also.
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make it.
You guys, it's my mom's birthday, and she decided she wanted to go and feed some cows and goats. So we came to this cute sanctuary. Obsessed, this one. This one is going places.
Ain't it cooler than you are? But when you're with me and you're half asleep, and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usual.
When the music go entra, dale, vete para allá. Solo déjame